Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to dislike TikTok videos. But before getting started this video, don't forget to subscribe. Hold on 1 minute. So first of all, open your TikTok application, and once you're here, search for the video you want to dislike. So for example, I want to dislike this video, so tap above the video for 2 seconds, and here you will get this option, not interested. So all you have to need, just click on not interested, and after that this video will be disliked and this video won't be visible on your timeline. So this was how we can dislike TikTok videos. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.